Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, chapter 140. So here it is. Let's read the story. Since Wei Xingyu is going back, well, right now, she was on the airport and waiting for her boarding. It seems that Jishao and everyone was going to send her. Once it said, remember to send us a message when you land. Well, of course, she got really worried about Wei Xingyu. Also, Jishao, right now, she was carrying the gifts for her. Don't try to stay cool on the plane. Hey, hey, here are some specialties I bought for you to take with on the road. Jishao said to Wei Xingyu. Now, she was giving her the bag, but look at her, suddenly caressing her hand. Well, Jishao, Wei Xingyu, she become tricky, right? Look at her, she was smiling, and also her face, it's really turning red. Well, I see, Wei Xingyu said to Jishao. After seeing her actions like that, of course, Jishao, her heart, it's really pounding. Her face, she was really blushing. Now, it really makes sense. She moved closer to Wei Xingyu and said, Wei Xingyu, remember to think of me. Oh, Jishao, it seems that she really can bear it. At this moment, Wei Xingyu, she moved closer to Jishao and said, don't worry. I get it. Well, this is great, right? They're really getting closer to each other. Well, looking at Xiaoning, I said, look at her. Her face, it seems that she was really enjoying the scene. Now the flight is going to depart at this moment and every passenger has been called off. It's time for Wei Xingyu to go on the boarding gate. Yusho said, okay, let's go quickly and don't miss the flight. Now, Wei Xingyu, she was walking to the boarding gate, but it seems that she was slowly walking. Well, maybe she was thinking about Jishao. Suddenly, she was stopped. Well, what do you think? What is she going to do? Did she miss Jishao at this moment? Probably. She looked back and she was staring at Jishao. Wei Xingyu, her face, she looks really serious. Probably, she really missed Jishao at this moment. Well, for Wei Xingyu, Jishao, it seems that she was in despair. She put the bag down and she was running to Jishao. Well, what do you think, guys? It seems that she kissed her. Well, definitely she kissed her, so she won't able to miss her when she leave. But looking at it, Jishao, at this moment, she was staring at Wei Xingyu. Looking at them, it seems that they don't want to separate on each other. But Wei Xingyu said to Jishao, see you in 3 days. Well, this is really sweet, right? Finally, Wei Xingyu is already leave. Jishao and Shaoning went back to the hotel. Xiao Xiao, you two kissed each other, right? It is true. Well, of course. She got really confused. Jishao said, no. Now, she was shaking her head. Well, I don't believe it. Now, she was really confused about this. And also, her friend, she kept bothering hers. She ran towards you. The two of you were really entangled. Well, even the silhouettes on the wall record your love. Please, stop talking nonsense, okay? Jishao said to her. Now, her face, she was really blushing. It said, it's just a silhouette. How can you be so imaginative? Well, she was right. At this moment, she was really blushing so much. Well, just some Xiao Xiao. You can hide it from me, her friend said to her. Well, Xiaoning, it seems that she really wanted to bother her so much, but Jishao, she was losing her patience, and it seems that she was going to throw her something. Well, no, I said no. Don't talk nonsense. Jishao, she was screaming, but, there's no reason of pointing of denying it. We grew up together and we react really badly. If you told a lie, now you can hide it from me. Jishao, right now. She was in trance. Of course, she don't expected that her friend will really act like this. But someone, someone ringing on the door. Ah, who is it? Come right off. Chisho said. Well, it seems that there's some visitor. It's me. Do you want to stay in my presidential suit? Wei Xingyu went back and I felt lonely living alone in such a big house. Oh, it turns out it was Wansi. Well, Jishao said to her, One Dynasty, timely. She was excited to see her because Shawnee, she kept bothering hers. But my suit has the three bedrooms. The room in front is where Wei Xing sleep before, and the one over there, well, it turns out the bedroom, it was really big. Now, seeing that, Wansi, I said, I want to live in this room. No one can take it from me. Well, this girl, she become tricky. Now, it really makes sense, Shisha said. Then, I live in the room that Wei Xing used occupied before. Well, it really makes sense, right? After hearing this, of course, Xiaoning, she kept bothering Jishao. Jishao, when she went inside the room, it turns out Wei Xing's room, it was so neat, and Jishao, she seems to be amazed. After seeing the room, it seems that there's a box inside. And look at her, it seems that there's a letter also. Well, Jishao, she got really surprised about this. Wei Xingyu went back to her room before leaving. Well, she prepared a gift for me. Now, Jishao, she was really curious about this. When she opened the box, she can see that there's a letter and also an apple. It's not that I forgot, it's just that I don't remember. Facing is said to the letter. Now, this picture, it seems that she already knows it. Well, she was remembering the fuss from the bits of pieces of the fuss. Now, it makes sense. It was really coming back to her. When did it happen? Jishao, until now, she was really confused. Well, what do you think? Who's in the picture? Let's see on what's gonna happen next. But right now, did you receive the gift that I gave you? Wei Xing is asking Jishao. Now, Jishao, she was staring on her phone. She was happy about it. Jishao said she received the gift, but Miss Wei, why did you give me an apple? It seems that this scene surely forgotten about what happened in the past, about the apple and something. Well, because I like it. Wei Xing said to Jishao. It really makes sense. Until now, Jishao surely can remember some of the bits and pieces from the past. What do you like? Yes, Miss Wei. Do you like apples? Jishao, she kept asking Wei Xingyu, but right now, Wei Xingyu is not replying on hers and said, Why, she wasn't replied yet. Did she take off? And didn't receive it. But Wei Xingyu replied and said, Like you. Well, she's really getting tricky. Turns out, Wei Xingyu, she can really joke right now. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Thank you for joining membership to date. White, Hannah, Sophia, Takorda. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is only open for those who want to support. You can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you. Bye.